We made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not only or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes, which comes but rarely in history, when we step out from the old to the new, when an age ends, and when the soul of a nation...
The honor of the leaders and my friends, as we all know that today we gather here to celebrate children's. Today is holy number, and every year in India we celebrate this day in children's. It celebrates on the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India, and he loved children very much.
It is the day we remember our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, who loved children very much. We lovingly call him Chachaji. He believed that children are the future of our country. He wanted every child to be educated. Children are like flowers. They make the world beautiful and bright.
നവംബർ 14 നമ്മുടെ മുൻ പ്രധാനമന്ത്രിയായിരുന്ന ഇന്ത്യക്ക് സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യം ലഭിച്ചതിനു ശേഷം ആദ്യത്തെ പ്രധാനമന്ത്രിയായിരുന്ന ജവഹർലാൽ നെഹ്റുവിന്റെ ജന്മദിനമാണിത്. ആ ദിനമാണ് അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ ഓർമ്മ ദിനമായിട്ടാണ് ഇന്ന് നവംബർ 14 ശിശുദിനമായി നമ്മൾ ആചരിക്കുന്നത്. കുട്ടികൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി ബാലവേല ഇല്ലാതാക്കുകയും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ കുട്ടികൾക്കെതിരെയുള്ള ആക്രമണങ്ങളെല്ലാം ഒഴിവാക്കുകയും അതായിരുന്നു അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ ഇന്ത്യയുടേതായ സ്വപ്നം.
It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal, our first Prime Minister. He loved children very much and believed that children are the future of the nation. Because of his great love and affection for the kids, children fondly called him Chacha.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Yava. Today is 14 November. We are celebrating Children's Day. At first, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Today is the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved children very much. Children fondly called him Chacha. Thank you. Finish. We have gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. This day dedicated the most beautiful part of the life, childhood. In India, we celebrate November 14 as Children's Day as the birthmark of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Today is November 14th, Children's Day. I love Chacha ji. I love Chacha ji. Happy Children's Day.
We love children very much and believe that we are the real strength of the nation. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru once said, "Children are like birds in a garden. They should be nurtured with love and care." He also said, "The children of today will make the India of tomorrow." November 14th, Children's Day. The birthday of our Prime Minister, first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
We celebrate Children's Day in memory of the first Prime Minister of India. Who is the first Prime Minister of India? So, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, was loved by children and he is also called as Chacha ji.
Children, we want to take a promise that to be respectful, to be honesty, and to be work hard. It is honoring the birth anniversary of our